Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to get scutes in Minecraft. Scutes, there's only one way that you can get, and that is through turtles. By making sure that you grow in turtles, this is also known as mob loot. The more turtles grow and they start to tame, and you can start to tame them and they start to breed, you're going to get scutes. And this is the only way that you can find scutes. So this was a short tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.